Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of drones with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This compact yet powerful drone is set to redefine aerial photography and videography, offering a range of features that cater to both casual enthusiasts and professional filmmakers. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its high-resolution sensor, capable of capturing stunning images and videos with incredible detail and clarity. This, coupled with advanced image processing algorithms, ensures exceptional performance in various lighting conditions, from bright sunlight to low-light environments. The larger 1-inch sensor is another game-changer, providing a wider dynamic range for richer colors and improved low-light performance. This is particularly beneficial for capturing breathtaking landscapes and cinematic footage, even in challenging conditions. The Mini 5 Pro also boasts 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, delivering smooth, high-quality footage that's perfect for capturing fast-paced action and creating professional-grade productions. With its high frame rate, motion blur is minimized, resulting in crisp and sharp images. In addition to its impressive imaging capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro offers a range of user-friendly features, such as intelligent flight modes and obstacle avoidance systems, making it easy to capture stunning aerial footage, even for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a versatile and powerful tool that can elevate your creative projects to new heights. Unveiling the DJI Mini 5 Pro, what to expect. Before we get too deep into the specifics, let's talk about what we can expect from the DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI has always been committed to pushing the boundaries of drone technology, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. We can anticipate significant improvements in camera quality, flight time, and overall performance compared to its predecessor, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro promises a significant upgrade over its predecessor. A key highlight is the enhanced camera system. This new iteration is set to feature a higher resolution sensor, enabling users to capture breathtaking photos and videos with exceptional clarity. Moreover, improved low-light performance will allow for stunning visuals even in dimly lit environments. To provide an even more immersive flight experience, DJI is expected to extend the flight time of the Mini 5 Pro. This increased endurance will empower users to explore vast landscapes and capture extended aerial footage without frequent recharging. Safety and ease of use remain paramount. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to incorporate advanced obstacle avoidance systems. These sophisticated sensors will detect and avoid obstacles, making the drone safer and more reliable, particularly for novice pilots. Finally, DJI is committed to enhancing the overall flight experience. The Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to feature a refined design that improves stability in windy conditions. This will result in smoother, more controlled flights, even in challenging weather. Release date and price. While DJI hasn't officially announced the release date and price of the Mini 5 Pro, we can make some educated guesses based on past trends. The Mini 4 Pro was released in September 2023, so we can expect the Mini 5 Pro to arrive sometime in the third quarter of 2024. As for the price, the Mini 4 Pro currently retails for around $1,000, so we can expect the Mini 5 Pro to be priced similarly or slightly higher. If you're a drone enthusiast or content creator looking for a compact, portable, and powerful drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is an excellent choice. It offers exceptional image quality, extended flight time, and advanced safety features, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, shooting cinematic videos, or simply having fun exploring the world from above, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is sure to exceed your expectations. As DJI prepares to officially unveil the Mini 5 Pro, I'm committed to keeping you informed. I'll provide comprehensive coverage of key features and specifications, in-depth analysis of the drone's capabilities and performance, and expert insights into its innovative technologies as soon as the announcement drops. In anticipation of the Mini 5 Pro's release, I invite you to share your questions and concerns about the drone, provide feedback on what features you'd like to see, and engage with fellow enthusiasts and industry experts. Simply leave a comment below to join the conversation. I hope this preview has provided valuable insights into the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up to show your support and subscribe to my channel for exclusive tech-related content. including timely updates on emerging trends, expert analysis, and engaging discussions with fellow tech enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. I look forward to sharing more exciting tech developments with you.